Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up automatic updates in Ubuntu 24.04. Keeping your system updated is essential for security and performance, and with automatic updates you can make sure your system stays secure without any manual effort. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly talk about why automatic updates are important. Ubuntu releases regular updates to patch security vulnerabilities, improve system performance, and fix bugs. However, remembering to manually update can sometimes be a hassle. With automatic updates, your system will handle everything for you. However, we recommend only automating the installation of security updates because sometimes you may not want to upgrade every system package. First, let us run the system update command to refresh the apt package index cache. By default, Ubuntu already includes the package that handles automatic updates called unattended upgrades. But to make sure it's installed, type this command. You can check whether this tool's service is running properly in the background by running this command. To stop the service, you can run this command to start the service. Just replace stop with start. Two configuration files can be used to customize and control the behavior of the unattended upgrades tool. One of them is 20 auto upgrades or wine, which you can open and edit. The 20 auto upgrades file in Ubuntu is a configuration file responsible for managing how and when automatic updates occur on the system. Specifically, it controls the scheduling of package upgrades and whether security updates are applied automatically. Here's a breakdown of each line. The first line ensures that the package lists are updated periodically. The one value means it will run daily, but you can adjust this number to set the interval in days. The second line setting enables unattended upgrades. A value of 1 means it will run every day, applying updates automatically. If you don't want the system to install upgrades for all available packages, set its value to 0. It all depends on what exactly you want. In summary, the 20 auto upgrades file allows you to control the automatic updating behavior in Ubuntu, such as the frequency of updates, whether they are installed automatically or not. By editing this file, you can customize your system's update behavior according to your preferences. The other file is the 50 unattended upgrades. The 50 unattended upgrades file is a configuration file in Ubuntu that controls the behavior of the unattended upgrades tool. This tool automates the process of installing security updates and optionally other types of updates like package upgrades without user intervention. It allows administrators to define which types of updates should be installed automatically and how the system should behave during and after the upgrade process. The unattended upgrade are allowed. Origins. This section defines which repositories and updates are allowed to be installed automatically. By default, security updates are enabled, and administrators can choose to add other types of updates depending on their needs. Lines in the unattended upgrades configuration file that begin with 2 slashes are treated as comments and won't be processed by the system. To enable a specific setting, remove the 2 slashes from the start of the line. To disable a setting, simply add the 2 slashes back at the beginning of the line. If you also want to include package updates then remove the two slashes. There are also two more origins, one to fetch and install the proposed updates, and the other for backports updates. Proposed updates are packages that are still in the testing phase and haven't yet been fully vetted for general release. These updates are part of the proposed repository where updates are uploaded for testing before they are included in the stable release. They are intended for users who want to help test new updates before they become widely available. Enabling proposed updates is typically not recommended for most users because the packages may contain bugs or introduce instability. They are mainly used by developers, testers, or users who need access to the very latest versions of software or bug fixes. Backports are newer versions of packages that have been taken from the development or future versions of Ubuntu and made available for older stable releases. The purpose of backports is to allow users of older stable Ubuntu versions to access newer features and updates without needing to upgrade their entire system to the latest Ubuntu release. Backports are useful for users who want or need newer software features but don't want to upgrade to the latest version of Ubuntu. The updates are typically safe because they are backported from newer versions, but they may still introduce changes or dependencies that could impact system stability in some cases. You can also exclude a particular package from upgrading. If you want to prevent the system from automatically updating a specific package, you can configure it to skip that package during updates. For example, if you don't want Apache to be updated automatically, you can add it to the package blacklist in the configuration file. You can also configure and enable other settings such as unattended upgrade, automatic reboot time, and so on. If you're done editing, save the changes. By default, the system will automatically upgrade after 1 day, or according to the value you set in the 20 auto upgrades configuration file. However, you can also manage the timing of updates by creating a cron job. Add the following line at the end of the file. This cron job will run the unattended upgrade tool at 1 a.m. every day, ensuring that automatic updates are applied regularly. The V flag will make the output more verbose, providing detailed information about the update process. You can test your config, that is, test unattended upgrades with a dry run using this command. Well, in Ubuntu, a metered connection refers to a network connection where data usage is limited, such as mobile data or connections with a data cap. On a metered connection, data transfer may incur additional charges, so the system tries to reduce the amount of data it uses, using my phone as a hotspot. And that's it. Now your Ubuntu 24.04 system will automatically update itself, keeping it secure and up to date without you lifting a finger. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more tech tips.